Hi everyone, we hope you're in a great mood. So let's step into a small coffee shop in town where it all begins. Scene: a small coffee shop in town. Emma is sitting at a table with a laptop and a cup of coffee. Before we start, hit like and let's begin.
Finally.
She looks at her laptop.
One more email.
She starts typing.
Almost done.
Someone suddenly bumps into her table.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
I didn't see the table.
I noticed.
Did I spill your coffee?
No.
Good.
You spilled your own coffee.
Oh,
Alex looks at his shirt.
that's not good.
Not really.
I have a meeting in 10 minutes.
Then you should probably change your shirt.
I don't have another shirt.
Then you're going to have a very interesting meeting.
I think you're right.
Emma smiles.
I'm Alex, by the way.
Emma,
Nice to meet you, Emma.
nice to meet you.
Even though I just attacked your coffee,
It's okay.
that's good.
Alex takes a napkin and tries to clean his shirt.
That isn't going to help.
I know.
You need water.
Right.
There's a bathroom over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alex walks away.
What a morning.
Alex returns.
Better?
A little.
I'll take it.
Alex's phone rings.
Hello?
He listens.
Today? No, that's fine. I understand.
He hangs up.
Bad news?
Very bad news.
What happened?
My weekend plans are gone.
What were your plans?
I was supposed to go camping with my friends.
And?
They all canceled.
All of them?
Everyone.
That's unlucky.
I was really looking forward to it.
Where were you going?
Green Lake.
Green Lake?
Yes,
I've heard about it.
it's beautiful.
Have you been there?
No,
Me neither.
I wanted to go for a long time.
So why don't you go?
Alone?
Why not?
Because I don't want to spend the whole weekend talking to myself.
You could meet people there.
Maybe.
Or you could just enjoy the quiet.
That sounds nice.
Sometimes plans change.
That's true.
Maybe the new plan will be better.
Maybe.
Emma closes her laptop.
Are you finished?
Yes.
Good.
Actually,
What?
I was supposed to go somewhere too.
Really?
Yes.
Where?
A small hotel near the mountains.
For work?
No, for a weekend away.
Alone?
Yes.
So you like traveling alone?
Sometimes.
And now?
Now, I'm not sure.
Why?
The hotel called me this morning.
What happened?
They said the room isn't ready.
Seriously?
Yes.
When will it be ready?
Tomorrow afternoon.
That's not very useful.
Exactly.
So your weekend is also ruined.
Maybe.
That's funny.
What's funny?
We both had weekend plans.
And both plans disappeared this morning.
Exactly.
That's not funny.
A little.
Maybe a little.
Alex looks out of the window.
You know what?
What?
I still want to go.
To Green Lake?
Yes.
Today?
Tomorrow morning,
You don't even have a hotel.
I can find one.
You don't have your friends.
I can go alone.
And your shirt is still wet.
That's a different problem.
True.
What about you?
What about me?
You still want to go somewhere, right?
Yes.
Then come with me.
What?
Come to Green Lake.
With you?
Yes.
We just met.
I know.
You spilled coffee on yourself.
No doubt.
And now you're asking me to go on a trip with you?
Yes.
That's crazy.
Probably.
You could be dangerous.
I just spilled coffee.
Exactly.
So,
I don't know.
think about it.
I will.
Alex takes out his phone.
Look,
What?
Green Lake.
He shows her a photo.
Wow.
Nice, right?
Very.
Mountains.
Forest.
And a lake?
It looks peaceful.
That's what I want.
A quiet weekend.
Exactly.
No work.
No emails.
No meetings.
No people asking me questions.
You ask a lot of questions.
That's true.
How long does it take to get there?
About 2 hours?
By car?
Yes.
And where would we stay?
I don't know yet.
Very organized.
I'm working on it.
And what do we need?
Food.
Water.
Clothes.
A map.
I have my phone.
That's not a map.
It has a map.
Okay,
So,
I'll think about it.
that's not a no.
No, it isn't.
Emma stands up.
I have to go.
Okay,
I have one question.
sure.
If I say yes,
Yes?
you have to organize everything.
Everything.
Hotel, car, food, route.
Okay,
And you can't forget anything.
I won't.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
Good.
Want to practice English with real conversations? Try FlyTalkAI. Learn by listening and speaking every day.
So, you're coming?
I said if.
Right.
I need to think.
How long?
Until tonight.
That's a long time.
It's only a few hours.
For me, that's a long time.
Be patient.
I'll try.
See you later, Alex.
See you later, Emma.
Emma leaves.
I think that's a yes.
Later that afternoon, Emma is at home. Her phone rings.
Hello?
It's me.
Alex?
Yep,
How did you get my number?
you gave it to me.
Right.
I have good news.
What?
I found a hotel.
Really?
Yes,
Where?
near Green Lake.
Is it nice?
Very?
Expensive?
Not too expensive.
How many rooms?
2.
Good.
I also checked the road.
And?
Easy.
Good.
We leave at 8 tomorrow morning.
8?
Yeah,
That's early.
it's a 2-hour drive.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah,
You're coming?
I'm coming.
Woohoo!
But
What?
don't make this trip difficult.
Okay,
And don't get us lost.
I won't.
And don't forget the map.
No worries.
Good.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Emma packs her bag.
Clothes.
She puts clothes into the bag.
Toothbrush.
She packs it.
Jacket.
She looks outside.
Maybe a raincoat too.
She adds it.
Water.
She puts a bottle in her bag.
Snacks.
She smiles.
And a book.
She closes the bag. Meanwhile, Alex is packing.
Camera.
He puts it in his backpack.
Charger.
He puts it in.
Food.
He puts a sandwich in.
Water.
He looks at the bottle.
1 bottle should be enough.
He looks at his phone.
Map.
He opens the map.
Green Lake.
He studies the route.
Easy.
He smiles. Emma calls Alex.
Hello?
Are you ready?
Almost.
Almost?
I'm checking the route.
Again?
Yes.
Cool.
It looks very easy.
Good.
Straight road.
Okay.
Then a left turn.
Okay.
Then another road.
And then?
Green Lake.
Perfect.
I told you. No problems.
I hope you're right.
I am.
What time are we leaving?
8.
I'll be ready.
Great.
Good night, Alex.
Good night, Emma.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
The next morning, Emma waits outside with her bag. Alex arrives in his car.
Morning.
Morning.
Ready?
Ready?
Emma puts her bag in the car.
Everything.
Yes.
Food? Water? Phone?
Definitely.
Great.
Map?
On my phone.
Good.
They get into the car.
Green Lake, here we come.
Wait.
What?
What's that?
What?
Your phone.
My phone?
Yes.
What about it?
The battery.
Oh,
How much?
30%?
30?
That's enough.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
And you have the charger?
Of course.
Good.
Let's go.
The car leaves the town.
It's beautiful outside.
I told you.
The weather is perfect.
Perfect for a trip.
How far?
1 hour and 45 minutes.
Good.
We'll be there before lunch.
Nice.
Then we'll check into the hotel.
Walk around the lake.
Take some pictures.
Have dinner.
And relax.
Sounds perfect.
See?
What?
You made the right decision.
Maybe.
Definitely.
Let's not celebrate yet.
Why?
It's still a long way.
Nothing can go wrong.
Don't say that.
Why?
Because every time someone says that,
What?
something goes wrong.
Nothing will happen.
We'll see.
They continue driving. Alex looks at his phone.
What?
The map says we need to turn left soon.
Okay,
5 kilometers.
got it.
Easy.
Very easy.
The camera slowly moves away from the car. On-screen text. They thought the trip would be easy, but they had no idea what was waiting for them. Subscribe to the channel and watch the next video to continue the story. And improve your English with FlyTalkAI. See you soon.